everyone, welcome to my bathroom. Today I want to show you how I like to get unready for the evening. So I'm going to walk you through my favorite Sisley products in order to do my skincare routine as well as my hair care routine. This product is so amazing for not only getting rid of that makeup and dirt from my skin, but also hydrating my skin. I love this product because it's great for sensitive skin and to just help remove that excess makeup and just really cleanse and tone your skin. I enjoy using this eye cream because the cold ceramic applicator just feels so nice morning and night to help massage that really sensitive eye area. If you need that extra boost of hydration and just restoration of your skin, use this amazing velvet sleeping mask at night. And now let's move on to hair, which is actually my favorite part of the ritual. I apply this at night and I like leaving it in while I'm sleeping about 8 hours to really help nourish your hair and fight against those external stress factors such as pollution, breakage. It's such a great product to give you that repairing feel. This product is so wonderful to really cleanse, but also add those vitamins and minerals to your scalp and hair in general. I really like taking my time with this. I massage it in, I brush it out, just to make sure that my hair can really absorb these wonderful vitamins and minerals. And from here onwards, it's actually quite simple. I take my brush, then I take my scalp treatment, my purifying serum. I'm really quite generous with this because I've noticed such a difference in using this product. My scalp is so much healthier. So I massage that in and it really helps stimulate hair growth. I love leaving that volume in my hair and just enjoying the natural beauty of our hair, even if it feels a little bit frizzy or overly volumized. Embrace the natural beauty, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon. Bye now.